Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Math, Mr. G. I'm here today to go over some work for our Zern Mission 4, Lesson 10. Today we're going to be looking more in depth at our supplementary angles and how to use them in word problems. In addition, how to work around them in ways that we haven't quite seen yet. So just to review the definition, supplementary angles are two or more angles that when added, the sum, so that's the answer when added, is equal to 180 degrees, which is oftentimes just a straight line, or every time is a straight line. So I have here an example of a problem you might see for this. So you can see here I have my straight line, which is equal to 180 degrees, and across it from 0 to 180, I have split it into two angles. This angle, angle A, I've determined is already 60 degrees, but I haven't determined what angle this is, how much it's worth. Because we're going to use addition to measure this adjacent angle here and figure out what it is. So the best way to do this is to remember that the straight line, which is the sum of these two angles, because remember angles come around in a radius like a circle, is 180 degrees. And what we also know we have here is our 60 degrees. So what we need to do is subtract the two. So I'm going to very quickly here, I'm going to zoom in so we can see this just a little bit better. I will subtract. And the reason I'm subtracting is because if I know addition, adding these two angles gives me 180, I know I can find the difference, the missing piece, by subtracting those two. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 1 minus 0 is still 1. So our answer is 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees up there. And this makes sense because 120 degrees, if I'm just eyeballing it, without measuring it without a protractor, this looks to be about 120 degrees. I know 120 is obtuse, it is greater than 90, and a 90 would sit right about here. I know that when I add 60 and 120, I'm going to get 180, which is my straight line measurement. And this is really useful in a number of situations. I also used a situation a few videos ago in one of our previous lessons that has a very similar concept. We're using perpendicular lines and finding supplementary angles. We'll be working more and more of these as we move forward. Expect to see these as well as a different another form called complementary angles, which is the similar method, but this time, or during that time, it's only with a 90-degree angle because it's in a right angle. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.